Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. Okay, first of all I have already explained you that there is a pattern forming, okay, and that I am being repeated in my every video. You have to understand, because whenever you see or take a trade you should know how the natural gas price, whatever stock or any other commodities you trade or forex, you should know how it being moving for month, year, as well as for a day wise, so that you should be in a mind, in a frame, so that if there is a rise, so you should understand there might be a chart pattern which might have broke or some news has come. That is where we have seen a good movement has come. Otherwise it will move in the same range as it was previously moving. Okay, this is the chart we have seen. I am telling you, since the same chart we have seen the crude has also created. What it shows, that whenever is hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and it form a swing, that is where it goes upside. Okay, and the important thing is that whenever hit its high, it makes a sharp fall, and this sharp fall is from 10, 20, 50 to even 100% fall we have seen. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, this is the range where the price of natural gas is moving for $1 and a zone of $2. This is the zone. So once this zone break downside, then we can see it can fall further down, but once the zone break upside, we can see it can move further upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, it has to move above a level of $2.56. that is where only we can see it can go further upside. Otherwise what you can see, that till the time it is not sustaining this level, we can see it will move in this zone again. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $2.334. Okay, so suppose if the price, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. Okay, it is on the greener side. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of $2.384. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, it can go towards a level of $2.450. This $2.450 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross a level of 2.493. Why I am telling you all this, because these are the resistance which is being tested here. So once the price sustain this level, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside will be there, and if that level sustain, it can cross a level of around $2.571. This $2.571 is already being on the resistance, so once it sustain this level, it can move further high, and a probability of going towards 2.708 is there. Okay, and if the price sustain above this particular level, then we can see it can cross a level of around $2.755, and chances of touching a level of 2.783 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above this level, yes, it can go further high and can touch a level of around $2.891. Okay, this $2.891 is, once it sustain this level, then a probability is that we can see it can touch a level of $3. Okay, why I am telling you, you have to understand here that some of the resistance are strong, but once the resistance being tested twice, it became weak, so chances are very high if it comes for the third time, it can go further upside. Okay, now look at this resistance. So once the price sustain above $3, this is the high which we have not seen since Jan of 2023. Okay, so probability is very high that it can started moving upside, and chances of touching $3.10 is there, and then we can see it can go further high. Okay, so once that started moving upside, then yes, a probability of going further high we can see for the price of natural gas. But as I have already explained you, that market cannot make sharp rise or sharp fall till the time there is no big news is coming, big news. Otherwise how it moves, it goes up, halt for some time, that is how it moves, break a zone. Okay, in the same way it halt for some time, that is how it comes, and then it falls. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can move further down towards a level of around $30. Okay, and once it fall below this particular level, it can move further down towards a level of $2.24. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, it can cross a level of around $2.2410 and can touch a level of 2.163. 2.163 is already being a weak support, so chances are very high it can move further down, and a probability of touching a level of 2.074 is there. So once the price fall below this 2.047, which is already being a weak support, so chances are very high it can move further down, and we can see it can go further low, and it can come to in this particular zone. Okay, so once it started falling below $2.064, chances of touching a level of $1.984 is there, and if from that we can see a level of $1.829. If the price fall below this particular level, chances of touching a level of 1.624 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1.5824 after $1.68. Okay, so keep it in mind that once started falling below this level, then only we can see $1.586. Otherwise we will see it will move in a zone. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me up. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.